You want to transfer your latte art from these to this? Here are 4 tips that can fix your latte art in one video. Stay till the end for bonus advanced tips to elevate your latte art even further. Tips 1. Choosing the right pitcher. The right equipment can make or break your road to a successful latte art pour. The correct size of pitcher is a key for latte art pour. Lattes are normally served in 8-ounce cup or around 240 milliliters, with a 30 to 40 gram of espresso. We will be using around 200 grams of milk for a cup of latte. The ideal size pitcher for 200 grams milk would be around double volume. In this case, a pitcher with around 400 milliliters of volume. My go-to beginner pitcher recommendation is always WPM number 06 round spout milk pitcher. I am not sponsored by WPM. I really do find this pitcher very good. The narrow and high body design makes milk frothing easier, and the slant top design with the round tip provide good milk flow and easy wiggle. I will put the link in description, and WPM, please sponsor me. Tips 2. Milk texturing. Milk texture is one of the key elements for good latte art and also a good cup of coffee. The perfect milk for coffee and latte art should be warm at 55 to 60 Celsius degree, with silky microfoam which can slide on top of the coffee. Steam wand placement. Pull the steam wand towards yourself, placing the steam wand into the middle of your pitcher. Then tilt your pitcher to either side, placing your steam wand in between the middle and the side of your pitcher. Now you are ready to froth your milk. Before frothing your milk, remember to purge your steam wand to get rid of excess water. Place your steam wand to the ready position, submerge the tip of the steam wand into the milk, then turn your steam to full power. Create a vortex in your pitcher, lower your pitcher a bit to insert air into the milk creating foam. Then keep the vortex spinning to cut through the foam creating microfoam, and while mixing your milk and foam together. Heat the milk to 55 to 60 degrees Celsius, then turn off the steam wand. Remember to wipe and purge the steam wand after steaming milk. Well-textured milk should be glossy and silky smooth, like wet paint. The whole steaming process would be 10 to 20 seconds for commercial machine and 40 to 50 seconds for home machine. Both types of machine can get the same silky smooth milk as a result. If the foam is too thick, the latte art might look clumpy and uneven. If the foam is too thin, the foam will be too watery and hard to control, or even can stay on top of the espresso at all. If the milk is frothed properly, it should feel very liquid while the foam and slide on top of the espresso, creating amazing latte art. If you find these useful, remember to like, subscribe. Stay with me to the end of the video for an advanced tip to elevate your latte art game even more. Tips 3. Work fast. Working fast does not only matters for latte art, it is also essential as a barista to avoid angry customers. The second you finish steaming your milk, the milk foam and the milk will start to separate. Swirling the pitcher can help slow down the separation of milk and milk foam, but it is still the matter of at most 30 seconds. Separated milk foam will look and feel lumpy while pouring, and you will not be able to pour thin lines with separated milk. Therefore, always swirl your milk after steaming and pour your latte as soon as possible. Tips 4. Posture. The correct posture not only can save your latte art, it can also save your body from strain, especially as a barista pouring hundreds of coffee per day. Here is the posture that works for me. Place your wrist at the bottom of the milk jug, your palm to the bottom of the handle, use middle finger as the support, then tuck your fingers in like holding a fist. When pouring, imagine your wrist as a on-off switch. Wrist down as on for the milk to pour, wrist up to stop the milk. The more you pour, the less milk is left in the milk jug. In this case, your elbow comes into work. Your elbow is the milk flow control. Raise your elbow while pouring to tilt the milk jug, keeping the milk flow steady. Advanced tips, wiggle. With all the fundamentals done, and enough practice, we are able to explore more techniques in latte art, and wiggling is one of the most important ones. When you do wiggle, do it with your forearm, not your wrist. The movement of wrist is too micro and unstable. By wiggling your forearm, you can have more control of the pitcher and the milk. Here are all the tips for this video. If you find these tips helpful, please hit the like and subscribe for daily coffee content, and comment to let me know what more coffee-related content would you like to watch. You can also find some more latte art shorts, tutorials, or tips in my channel.